Hi, today I'm participating in the 50 Stack Challenge hosted by Amy of Crafty Cat, and we're doing the guest checks. Don't have the guest checks, but I have the receipts. I've glued and backed them, and we are on 15 and 16. And our prompts for 15 is sticker, and our prompts for 16 is square. So let's see what we get. Be sure and check out Amy's channel. I'll have it listed in my description box down below, and be sure and check out the hashtag 50 Stack Challenge to see what everyone's made. There are some amazing ephemera being made. So without further ado, let's get started. Well, here they both are. Sometimes it doesn't have to be complicated. These were very, very simple. I just put some background paper on this one, and then I use these pretty 3D leaves on top. And since it's leaves underneath, I just think that really set it off. And I just added my little word, autumn. And on this one, I made a pocket. I just did different squares, added a pocket, and I went ahead and added a little sticker. I just felt like it needed something. And I just used this tag. And I really think they turned out cute. I'm getting ready to do a fall journal, and I hope they'll work well with it. And I've got my background papers. I'm gonna have to change glues. This usually works pretty good for most things, but it just does not hold down the backing very well. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure and check out Amy at Crafty Cat, and be sure and check out the hashtag 50 Stack Challenge to see what everyone else has made. And until next time, bye y'all.